Now let us move on to the second bit of the question. So the second bit given is to find 32 raised to the power of 1 by 5. Now let us write 32 in its irreducible factors. This can be written by finding the prime factors of 32. So 32 is 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. And 8 is 2 times 4. 4 is 2 times 2. Therefore, the irreducible factors of 32 is 2 multiplied with itself 5 times. Therefore, it is 2 raised to the power of 5. Now we write 32 whole to the power of 1 by 5 as 2 raised to the power of 5 whole raised to the power of 1 by 5. As we know, if a power is raised to a power, then the exponents are to be multiplied. Since a power m whole power n can be written as a power m times n. That is 2 power 5 times 1 by 5. Therefore, the common factor 5 gets cancelled and we are remained with 2 power 1. Therefore, 32 whole raised to the power of 1 by 5 is equal to 2. So now let us move on to the third bit of the question. So the third bit is find 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3. First, let us write 125 in its irreducible factors. Therefore, we shall find the prime factors of 125. 125 can be written as 5 times 25 and 25 is written as 5 times 5. Therefore, the irreducible factors of 125 are 5 times 5 times 5, which is 5 raised to the power of 3. Therefore, 125 raised to the power of 1 by 3 is written as 5 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 1 by 3. As we know, if a power is raised to a power, we need to multiply the exponents, since a power m whole power n can be written as a power m times n. Therefore, 5 raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3 times 1 by 3. Here the common factor 3 gets cancelled and we are remained with 5 whole power 1, which is equal to 5. Therefore, 125 whole raised to the power of 1 by 3 is equal to 5.